Oh my gosh. What is that sound? Look at that. Look at that building. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Wait, I gotta close it. Look at our floor. Hold up. I gotta close it. Hold this. Record me. You gonna record it from the inside? No. You wanna change the plans?
Wait, let's get some.
Oh gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna be. Oh gee, there's like a big giant mud puddle over there. I don't want to jump in it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Yo.
There's a puddle on the floor.
Yo, you is not like recording it right. Get me.
I am recording it perfectly.
Oh, look at the floor.
Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I will be back. Hopefully. If I can get out.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh gosh. Don't go off the stoop though. I'm nervous. I don't want no lightning to hit you.
I don't have anything metal that's on me.
No, I don't want you to get kicked either. All these viruses and stuff been going around. Oh my gosh. Oh fuck. Look at that street. Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna go to the landlord. Give him the money. This is crazy. They said it's a tornado coming. Oh, man. Let's record it out the window. I'm too cold. Naya, I have anemia. I can't take this. Oh, I can't take this. I'm too cold. Let's just record it out the window. That seems like the safer bet. Huh?
I want to see you from outside. Okay?
Whoa!
Oh gosh. I want to see you outside. You're going to be recording me from
Yo, this shit is like so crazy.
You're going to see me from inside. Oh gosh. I'm going to run for my life.
I gotta try to cover the outlet or something. Protect the outlet.
Okay. Wish me luck. You're going to see me outside.
Don't go outside in the outside.
Yeah, I'm going to go in front of the window so you can record me from inside.
Wow, you're crazy.
Nice.
Oh my god. Shit. What the hell? Goodness. She crazy. And this is my daughter. Look at her. Just like that goddamn puddle. Her foot is in a puddle. Naya, I don't want you to get sick. Oh, look at this water coming in here. Oh my gosh. She don't listen. Hey, while you out there, scrub some of that paint off your foot. Wipe it off with your fingers. I said, while you out there, scrub some of that paint off your foot. Wipe it off. Scrub some of that paint off your foot. Yo, look down there. Look down there. Whoa! Get in the house! That shit was right there. Mayday, mayday. Fuck that. No, no. She's soaked.
Hey, I took like a mini shower. Well, extreme shower.
Well, this is as far as we're going right now.
Wait, I got this.
Don't go outside with that. I don't want you to go outside. It's kind of scary.
I got.
No, I
Okay.
don't want you to go outside. And then you got electronic and shit.
Oh yeah.
So let's say bye-bye, unless you want to report some more. But not outside.
Bye.
No, we can't even see no more outside. Like,
Well, let's say bye. Bye.
Bye.